Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I am going to tell you that how can you hide photos and videos in your iPhone. I am going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. Now the process to hide any particular photo or video in your iPhone is actually very simple. All you have to do is just simply go to Photos application, and currently you can see I can check out this photo in my iPhone. If I want to hide it, all I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on select option at the top. I'm going to select photos and videos which I want to hide, and I don't want anyone else to see that except me. So you can just simply select the photos and videos, and once it is done, all you can do is tap on this three dot option and then select hide over here. So as soon as you select hide, again you will get a pop-up screen, select hide option once again, and all the photos and videos which was selected is now hidden. Where can you check it? You can simply go to collection, you can go down, and in utilities you can see there is a folder of hidden. You can tap on hidden folder, you can scan your face ID, and then you can check out photos and videos which are hidden. One more thing, now if you don't want anyone else to check out this hidden folder, then you can also hide it. For that, all you have to do is just simply go to settings option, then go down, select apps, and search for photos application. In photos app, go down. After iOS 27, settings or the interface has changed a bit, but you have to go to album section over here in app settings, and over here you can see there is an option of hidden album. Currently the toggle is on, turn it off, and this time if I go to photos app and if I go to collection and if I go to utilities, you can see hidden album which was visible earlier is no more visible, so it is hidden. If you want to check it out once again, turn on this toggle, and now you can see hidden album is back. So yes, how to hide photo? You can just simply tap on select the file, tap on three dot and select hide option, and now you know where can you check it. You can just simply check it in utilities in hidden album. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.